Good morning, everyone. This tutorial guides you how to use the free trial version of the Soft Hearts LLC audio test system. So let's get started. Once you start the program, first thing that you do is you go to Calibrate. You choose what microphone you want to use. You choose what channel you want to calibrate and what level you want to calibrate, and then press the Calibrate button. So this is the microphone is calibrated. The second thing that we will do is we will do the equalization using this microphone that we have calibrated. So since this is a trial version, it won't let you save any files, but you should be able to do the equalization using the microphone that you have already calibrated. So let me place the microphone inside my chamber here. So let's go to equalize. So we choose what speaker we want to use and what microphone. So this is the microphone that we want to use. So let's go from 20 kilohertz to 100 hertz with 25 millisecond, 25 minimum cycles, whichever is maximum. And let's go to, so this is the, actually this won't let you save the EQ. So let's do plus minus 0.1 dB and start the EQ. So this EQ, once it finishes, it won't save it, but it will utilize that same EQ when you go to build a test. So this is done. So basically, let's go check the, because this is usually on auto scale, so it goes at a very high um, resolution. But once you go to 93 to 95, you can see that it's a pretty flat EQ. So now let's go to build a sequence. So this EQ will automatically be utilized in the trial version when you build a sequence. So you can type in test name and just choose the step sign sweep, whatever you want to do. Let's go to the same 20,000 to 100. Software allows both ways, so you can choose whichever way you want to go. And let's choose the same speaker and microphone. And let's say I want to do only one channel acquisition, absolute response, and let's run this sequence. So basically here you go. You can see the response here and all the measurements. The waveforms are not shown up here because we did not choose the enable waveform. So you can choose that. Come back to the results, see the results. Let's run it one more time just to verify. So you can pretty much just see everything except that the limits won't be there and the results evaluation will not be there in the trial version. But other than that, everything is there. You should be able to pretty much see everything. Also, the limits is there so that you can also play with the limits tab, see how to use it. but obviously the limit evaluation, even when you enable it, it won't be there. But you can still play with the limits tab and everything so that you get used with the functionality and everything. And so yeah, the limits and the logs, even though you enable it, it won't work. But just to play with it, you are still able to do it here. So let's run it one more time and see the waveforms also. So here you go, the waveforms are here. So you can pretty much just see the stimulus and the waveforms um, right here. You can see the accuracy of the stimulus alignment and also the waveform align at the beginning, at the end. See how it looks like, and it's pretty close. So this is usually on the auto scale, so you can disable it, and you can also see how repeatable the results are and everything. So pretty much everything is here. You should be able to see everything except the limits are disabled and the logs, those are disabled. But other than that, you should be able to see pretty much everything right here. So you can see uh, the delta of the limits and the actual response here. But the evaluation of the limits, that's not enabled here. Similarly, every measurement is here, but this evaluation is disabled. So these are always going to fail. Timing log, everything is enabled. DUT log is enabled, so you will be able to see the DUT log uh, because that is, considering that it's your device, I think it's fair that in the trial version, you should be able to capture the output of it. All right, hope everyone likes it, and look, good luck to all the people who are learning the software, and we'll keep you updated as the new software versions are released. All right, take care. Bye.